nation builder, and no reconstruction of a nation is possible without teacher. Therefore, as we see that we need teacher, because in order to bring out a good citizen and unity in the nation and the patriotism in the citizen, then we need the teacher. Because now we all of us are expecting a peace, development, security of life. Unless and until the teacher is not being given appointment, who is the former, who is the molder of the citizens, if they are being deprived from such the work, and these are the qualified teachers who wants to contribute for the nation, and if the contributor is being suppressed and kept, then how can the development of the nation will come, and how will be the peace will come? Therefore, from my side, I request to the government, so that according to the qualified teacher, they should give the appointment and they should make elaborate arrangement. And here, all the qualified teacher is not the enemy of the government, but they are the supporter of the government. They want to contribute. Therefore, they should give a gratitude and they should respect to all the qualified teachers. They are coming forward because they want to contribute the nation building. Therefore, in this matter, all the government leaders, those who are holding the responsible, they should respect. And if only they are able to respect, then only the permanent peace and a permanent development, permanent security of the life, which they are always propagating and always they are emphasizing, that will come into reality. Otherwise, if the teacher is being neglected always and suppressed and kept, then there won't be no development at all. That is why in the last moment what I want to say, the teacher is the maker of men and teacher is the nation builder. Therefore, all the government should respect and give gratitude and give the appointment to all the qualified teachers.
Again and again, you have organized a kind of Dharna and also a festival. Not even an initiative was taken by the government.
It is a very sad that they are not hearing the voice. Since they are not hearing the voice, they are bound to sit again for the Dharna. So, from our humble request, so that we need not to sit back here. I have said at the earliest that we are not the enemy of the government. We are the supporter, we are the contributor. We want to contribute for the nation building. Therefore, in this manner, they should really understand our situations and should give us appointment.
Go!